Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy, Lesson 11. My name is Miriam, and in this lesson we will be doing the preparation to begin reading the Hebrew Bible by learning the vowels that are used in reading the Bible. Let's make sure we understand the vowels. In English, vowels are letters and are not different from consonants. In Hebrew, the vowels represent the sounds of the letters and consist of dots and dashes. And these are known as nikud, nikudot, or dots. Native speakers do not need the vowels added to the letters when they read. But for those who are new to Hebrew, these vowels are very important. This is called the kamats. And it looks like a small T. It gives the consonant a rounded ah sound. This is called the patach. It is a flat horizontal line. It gives the consonant a flat ah sound. This is called the zarik. It has two dots in a horizontal line. It gives the consonant an. This is called the sigal, which has three dots. It gives the consonant the sound of eh. Then we have the shiva. It has two vertical dots. It adopts the sound of the letter. We then have the shri with a single dot, and it goes directly under a letter. It gives the consonant sound, an E sound. There are a few others I will discuss in another lesson, but these are the essential ones that I believe you need to know in order to begin your adventure in reading the Hebrew Bible. Thank you. Shalom. Here we will begin with reading the vowels and letters together. This is part 2. This letter A with a horizontal line underneath makes the letter sound as ah. This letter is silent and does not have a sound without the horizontal stick. The horizontal stick, and there's also a vertical one, which we will learn about in a minute. This is another vowel that produces the same sound. Ah. This is also a stick vowel with a vertical stick underneath the horizontal line. Now, this looks like a T, like an English T. Let's try the letter B. That includes a dot in the middle to make the sound B. If you remove that dot inside the B, it will make the sound V, as in victory. This dot is called a dagesh. The letters make the sound Abba, the A, the B, and the A, Abba, and it means father in Hebrew. We have seen that word in a previous lesson. And with a dash under the A, it is pronounced Av. Av. Without that dot, in the middle of B. It is Av. The dot under the A makes an E sound. It's a little ball, little dot. This letter is the letter M in Hebrew. The next one with the dot under the M is pronounced me. Me, as in me. This M with a yod, M and a little yod, looks like a little comma, is pronounced me, as in me and Joe. So you could have the M with a dot underneath, or the M with a yod and a dot, it's still me. The R is pronounced R. It's a round R. The R with a yod and the dot under the R is pronounced Ri, Ri, as in read this book, read, R. Okay, the R's in Hebrew are pronounced R. This has an H sound, as in the word whole. With a dot under that H, it's pronounced as he, with a dot or a little period. This is a D and a Vav. With a dot under that second letter, it's pronounced do. This is a G with a dot under the G and a little yod. It's pronounced G, like G-E-E, G-O-G. Now let's read Genesis 1. I'm excited. Okay, we're just beginning to learn a little Hebrew. So, the first word is Bereshit. That's a sh sound. Bereshit bara Elohim et ha shamayim. That looks like a W. Ve'et ha'aretz. Bereshit means the beginning, or beginning of. Bara means created. Elohim in Hebrew means God. Et, this word et, has no equivalent in English. It's a preposition used to introduce a direct object. Hashamayim means the sky. Ve'et means and. Haaretz means the land. This concludes lesson 11. So, if you have enjoyed this lesson, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a lesson. Also, please think about becoming a patron to support this channel and to qualify for the benefits. See you in lesson 12. Lehitraot. That means see you later.